welcome back to Hello. Welcome back to Haylie Brandon TV. So the slime thing did not work again because we had one slime that it worked. Like, it was a video and it was awesome that helped us. But now we can't find it. Now we can't find it. Now we can't find it. So, we're just trying to find it and get more of glue all. But I'm just thinking that, it makes, our slime bad because glue all makes it strong, but when I try to stretch it, it breaks right after 1 minute. I don't get it. So I'm just giving you some tips. So this is part 2. So here's some tips that we had, and it did not work for us. So one tip, we got a video and did it, and that helped us so much. But now we can't find it. I don't get it. But I'm trying to sell my dad to actually, go on that video. I'm trying to make him type in how to make fluffy slime. And then I'll do, or my mom said, a video to how to make fluffy slime. I think that was it. And then it came up with that, and we watched it, and it was awesome. That helped us so much with our slime. But now we can't find it, and I'm trying to get my dad to type that in, but he's not. And we ran out of glue all, and we need more shaving cream because we used all the shaving cream for my slime. And I think my brother was expecting it to not work because he does not want to make slime, and he will just know. He won't work. So. Yeah. It's not working. I don't know why. I don't know why. We're going on other videos, and we're still looking up how to make fluffy slime, but the video's not uploading, coming on. We're just scrolling down, and we can't find that video. It's horrible. So, and I think my dad was doing it too fast, or the process wasn't clear, because you're supposed to add your glue first. I don't get it.
This one didn't say that though, so that's why.
Sometimes when it's writing, sometimes it doesn't work, only on videos, but sometimes the videos doesn't work, but I don't know. That video was awesome. You should go on how to make fluffy slime, or you can say a video to how to make fluffy slime.
We need to know.
Yeah.
We want to know.
These other people are ooh, it's so good.
Oh,
You should make it.
It's so easy. Anybody can do it.
No, not like that. Just it works, but we try it and it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
Sometimes they're not giving us how much you need. Yeah, what we need.
We need it.
I'm not giving you the exact videos to it because
We don't even know.
No, I know one, and I know it, but I don't want to give a shout out to it. So, well, one more thing. I want to, well, I want to give out a shout out to anybody that has made slime and convinced me and my brother to make slime, but sometimes it doesn't work and just frustrating. So
Help us out.
so go down to the comments and please
Help us.
like if you're a slime expert, so please just tell us what we need, like what we're doing wrong, like going too fast, or this time you need to add your glue first, and do like the order, please, like glue, then shaving cream, then contacts, and then coloring, or usually what our order we just like are doing, like keep on doing, except today we were adding glue all first, then shaving cream, then we whipped it, then we add food coloring, like 3 drops, then we added the contacts, and like the contacts, and then borax.
Well, the borax.
With like the activator. That's usually the activator, or this is the activator. Usually this is the activator.
But that that saline has borax in it. So let us know if that's it, or do we still need the borax powder?
Yeah, like if we still need the borax powder, or just keep on using this because I think this has borax in it. So just give us a tip, please.
Take a look at our videos and see what we're doing wrong, please.
Yes, then
Give us a shout.
I'll actually do a comment and I'll say thank you for, like, if I see your comment in the comments. What?
We'll give that person a like or a thumbs up.
And if you have like an Instagram or Musically, I'll give you a thumbs up, and I'll actually say thank you in the comments. So when you're saying the slime thing, and you'll say like, this is how you actually make like this blah 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 blah, then and just follow me on Instagram or Musically, like the best Musicallys, or wherever you are. So please give us your tips for slime. Thanks. So bye. See you next time on Haylie TV. We'll meet you again.
Till we meet again.
And we might make another slime that might not work again. Bye-bye.